you're welcome to my YouTube channel once again, and we are going to talk about the importance of teeth clipping in young pigs. I found out that many people don't do that, and we are going to see why we should remove the teeth in young pigs. But before that, I want to thank people who are subscribing. Thank you so much. People who are watching, thank you so much. And I still call upon people who haven't subscribed, please do, so that we move together. The male piglets are still available at the farm, and you can communicate, and we see how we can deliver to you and get for you the best. So we are going to talk about the importance of teeth clipping in young pigs. But first, you know that these piglets are born with sharp incisor teeth for to fight for the best teeth. And remember, these piglets, when they are born, they know that there is fighting for the teeth to get the best milk. And remember the closest teeth to the sow's body, those ones in front, they get the most milk. So these piglets are also very wise. They know that when they fight and they get those front teeth, they will get the most milk. So it is important. It is always important for us to know that we should cut off those teeth when it is still early, and we can cut off the piglet's teeth as soon as after its birth, and the piglet's teeth can be cut when the pig is 15 minutes old. You can remove the teeth. You can first separate it from the mother for a short time, and after you're done with the cutting, you can bring it back. Maybe you will need a pair of tooth clippers to help you in the process. So let's see the importance of teeth clipping in young pigs. First, remember when these piglets are playing or fighting, they end up injuring themselves. They put cuts on their skins, and those cuts can end up attracting germs and other infections. But when you remove those teeth, you find you're avoiding those injuries. But when you leave your piglets to stay with the teeth, just know that when they are playing or fighting for the teeth, they will end up injuring their bodies and put some cuts. And those cuts can end up attracting the infections and germs, and this will cost you money to go and buy the medicine to treat those wounds. So it is very important to always cut off the teeth when the pig is still young. Also, in the process of fighting for the teeth, they end up injuring the sow's udder. They put some cuts, and those cuts will also attract germs, which may affect the sow's udder. But to avoid all those problems, it is always important that when the piglets are born, you cut off the teeth very fast to avoid all those problems. And remember, when the sow's udder is damaged, even feeding the young ones is going to be very difficult, because it is going to be feeling pain. So it can't stay in one place. It will move here and there when the piglets are trying to feed. So it is always very important to remove those teeth as soon as possible to avoid those problems, which may also cost us money to chew those cuts that are put on their skin and on the sow's udder. So let's always mind about cutting the teeth when the piglets are born to avoid those problems. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.